Welcome. Today we're going to be finally learning how to edit our clips. First thing we want to do is double click one of our clips that we have, and as you know, we can press space. Uh, we can drag it throughout the video, and we have options here. Normally these ones would be selected, but the video quality is not that high, so we have between full and 1/2. If you select on full, that's like the maximum, so if you think your computer can handle it, go for it, but most of the time you would want to select one of the other options. And you can see there's some times here, and unless you want to sync up multiple cameras at the same time, then this one here is it's not really that important. And here on the right we have the length of our clip, and then next to our duration we see this thing called fit. Now you can change that to 10%, it'll zoom out of the clip. You could change it to 100, it's in the highest quality it can be. We could drag it to make more space, but for now we're just gonna click on fit. Alright, so now we want to start editing. So you just want to go ahead and create a sequence like we did in our previous video. Sequence, and then we'll select the same setting we wanted to, and then name it my edit. Okay, and so you could just easily get this clip here just by clicking on it and then dragging it here. And then, as we already know, we know what we're doing, so keep our existing settings. So now you can see that our clip is in the program monitor, and the difference between the program monitor and the source monitor is everything that we do to edit in our sequence here we'll see here, and then as the source monitor is just the original video. So we have some tools here. We can go back, we can go forward a frame, we could go back one frame, and then we have our full here, and then these are just make sure these are like if you're gonna use a lot of effects, then put it on a lower resolution. Will make sure that the clips run more smoothly so you can edit it better for you. Now let's say you have a very high video file clip and you wanted to downscale. What you would want to do is just right click your clip and then click set to frame size. So now it's better. It's better not better quality, but it'll run better. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete that clip there because that's not a good way to edit videos. And I want to go to the icon view now. If we see here, we can hover over our clip and we can just drag over it to see what we want. So we could drag and just see the entire video, what clips I shot and whatnot. Alright, so I have this clip here, and I don't want that whole beginning entry point. So what I would want to do is select the I key to mark it in, and then all the way to right there where I just turn around and then I press the O key. So once I drag that into the sequence, it's only gonna keep that part of the video. I'm gonna right click the clip and I'm gonna set it to the frame size. And just know that there was no harm done to the source clip. I didn't delete anything in the source clip, so if I just wanted to keep this part, I could press I again to mark it in, and then just keep that part again, press O, and then I drag that into our. Sometimes you want to use the same clips multiple times throughout the video. I want to zoom in, so if you want to go throughout the video, you drag this down scroll thing here, but if you want to zoom in, all you have to do is hold the arrow and then drag it to the left, and you have your clip zoomed in Now same thing for on the right here, if you want to make it larger for the audio, uh, and also for the video so you can see the video in your sequence. Also, one thing to mention is that this is a video clip and this is an audio clip, and you can see on the left here, this is a video clip 1, video clip 2, video clip 3, audio clip 1, 2, and 3, and they work like layers. So if you have a video clip over this video clip, it's gonna overlap it, and it's gonna prioritize it itself over the first audio clip. Also, this is a video and audio clip, but if for example you wanted to, so let's just get a little part of this video here, mark in and mark out, and we got that little thing here, and if we wanted to drag the video only, it says drag video only here, so we click on this and we drag it and it's just a video. And then the same thing for the audio, drag audio only and it's separate clips. So one thing I want to show you guys is overwriting clips. So let's say I accidentally drag this over my original clip and it instantly cuts into that. So all I have to do is drag it to the left, and you see there's no space here, but you could just enlarge it again, and the original thing that I overlapped is back. Also, if you see this, it kind of snaps onto the clips, so it always snaps. So if you just go over here to your snap tool, you press S, it'll disable it, and then there's no longer snapping. So that's useful sometimes it's better to have it on. And yeah, another thing I want to show you guys is, let's just drag multiple clips here. Let's just get a bunch of stuff here, and what we can do is lock a clip. So we have a thing up here, we just click lock and we can no longer move it, we can no longer make selections to it, we can no longer edit it, so it's locked. All we have to do to, and edit other stuff, we could do at that if you think it's perfect, and you could unlock it. Another thing you could do is hide it. So if you want to hide it and see what's underneath, you can click the eye right here and you can see all the clips that were under that clip.